Today I wanted to share with you a Ruger Classic. What we are looking at here is the Ruger M77. This is a Hawkeye version, and it is also the compact version. So it's got only a 16.5-inch barrel. It almost feels like a youth gun when you pick it up and hold it. This one is chambered in .308 Winchester. You can see it's bolt action. And I'm all about the wood. I just absolutely love the grain. Here's a little bit of a knot that looks good. Favorite part though, check this out right here, this beautiful knot. That's what I'm all about there. So this rifle, by the way, is scoped with a Burris full field. You can read that. I'll show you the box. That's the scope that I chose to put on it. And the model number of the rifle itself is there. You can see I covered up the serial number. That's none of your business. Anyway, I plan on putting on leather sling. Again, I'm all about the wood, and the wood looks great with leather. So this is a sling that I'm going to put on it. It's got that basket weave pattern. And in order to mount it, I picked up these swivel, quick detachable super swivels with tri-lock, and these are the 1 1/4 inch sizes. So we're going to put those on here, and we'll get this sling on. Alright, so these swivels right here, says right here that these are for guns with the QD bases already mounted. And that is right here on the front and down on the stock. And there are instructions that I happen to cut in half right there, but I'll just show you what's going on. What you're going to do is you're going to take the swivel and you're going to unscrew this part here till it stops, and now if you press it in, you'll see what's going on, and you just push it sideways like so, and then you could put it on your QD. And then you pivot it back. Till it locks. And then we'll turn this back in. That's it. You've got the swivel attached. I will do the same to the back. There it is. All done. Now we can put the sling on. Alright, now this particular sling, it's got the screw here. Just take yourself a flat-bedded screwdriver. And get this off of here. Turning in the back, gotta make sure to hold on to it so it doesn't turn in the back, and it is truly unscrewing. Alright, we'll keep working at it. I'll be right back. Alright, I just had to really press hard with my thumb on that back piece. I think I finally got it broken loose. So now this comes off of here. Just notice how they have this extra piece of leather loop through that hole in the bottom. And then also this loop up here. So we'll pull this all the way out. And this is where we're going to put it through here. And I kind of liked the positioning that it was in, so I'm going to put it back. But as you can see, there are multiple holes, so you can adjust it any way you like. It was this hole and this hole. So we put this piece back in, and this piece back in. And take the piece of leather here. And then feed it back through the loop there. Maybe. Come on. There it is. And that part's done. Now we move to the front. Alright, up here in the front of the strap, we've got the same kind of hardware. So we've got to unscrew it. This one came off easy. And we'll loop it through here. Put this piece back into the back. Gonna get everything lined up. Make sure there's nothing blocking. All right, there we go. And snug it up as good as we can. Okay, there we go. The sling is now mounted to the rifle. So there is my wood and leather plinking, deer hunting, just all around having fun shooting toy. All right, there you go. This is the Ruger M77 Hawkeye compact version. Thanks for watching.